Hey, welcome back. This week we will be doing an album review. Well, not really an album. It says mixtape on it, so maybe it's a mixtape. I don't know what's the difference between an album, a mixtape, an EP. I don't know. It says mixtape. We're reviewing it. So before we start reviewing it, you know what? Maybe you guys can comment down below who this artist is. They call themselves Longshot. I guess it's a pretty new South Korean boy group, I guess. Like, the whole reason I wanted to do this album, this mixtape review, is because like I found a snippet of one of their tracks on Instagram. I don't know who any of these four people are. I don't know what record label they are under. I don't know anything about them. So, if any of you guys are familiar with them, any info, comment down below. Editor Troy here. While editing this video, I realized I haven't mentioned the name of the mixtape itself. God damn, how the hell do I forget about that? The mixtape is called For Show Boys. It's on the screen right now. Anyway, let's go to the first song by all of them, called Are You Ready? I think this is like a very very good first track. The beat is very very nice. I like the beat of it, and also since like all four of them are contributing in this song, there is a lot of how do I say this, the contrast of it is nice. Like the very hype moment, the low and slow moment, I really like it. Honestly, there is not really anything I can give critics about. I've always hated when like song how do I say this, switch between language, like a lot of like K-pop songs right now do that. They switch around. I never really like that. But this is nice. This is one of the nicer one. You know what? We will rate every song. How about that? I'm gonna give this a good 7. A good 7. Yes, yeah. It's good. Could it be better? I don't know. It's a good song. Very good song. Very good first impression of the mixtape, and also the first impression of the artist as a whole. Good. Next up we have the second track by only one of the member, called Ryul. The track is called Trust Myself, and I gotta be honest, it's good. Again, you have to realize this. I'm not like a professional like album reviewer or something. No, I'm just a normal person. Like, I don't have this super good way of like using words. So I expect a lot of basic words being used here. Yeah, it's good. It's what I would consider a classic rap. Like just rap, like no singing interjections or something. I like the beat. The beat is like, it's very clean. It's not like crowded with like 1,000 things going on. The rap itself is also it's nice. Like K-pop has this problem for me, okay, where like they try too hard to rap. Sometimes they even like left the beat. The beat is just like a background voice that they don't follow, kind of like Blueface. But this one's nice. You know what? After a couple more listen of this, maybe this song would get a spot in my gym playlist. Third track, we have a song called Thinking by Riol again and Louis. Doing review on this and like really listening to the songs and the information about it, I'm starting to put names to voices. I'm kind of embarrassed to say this, that I only realize which voice paired which name like right now. So yeah, I'm starting to realize who is who right now. And again, this song is also nice. Again, we have Riol here with his very it's not it is a he has this deep voice, not that raspy I think, but he is more of a very manly voice, while Louis here have a more light voice, very light. I don't know how to say this. You just listen to yourself and you don't understand. And I really like the contrast of it. Probably in the first track, Are You Ready? This two is the standout for me because of their contrast of their voice. I don't know who the producer for this mixtape is, but man, he's talented. I really like the beat. It's very how do they say this, bumpy. Like I could see myself like head bobbing. Yeah, it's not like a head bang. It's not a head bob. Head bob sounds wrong. I don't know. This is a review. Yeah, the song's nice. I like the contrast of them. Again, the beat is nice. I thought like maybe since like how light Louis's voice is, I thought he would be like a singer of the group, like the one who sings between the raps. But no, he raps too properly. I like it. It kind of defies my expectation of him. I'm gonna give this song another 7. Also, I forgot to rate Trust Myself, the second track. For that, I'm gonna give it a 6.8. Yeah, it's a 6.8. Track number 4, we have All Good by Woojin and Riol. That's the English title. My Korean is not good, so I'm not gonna attempt to read the Korean title. I'm gonna yap a lot about this song. I guess like a lot more than the other song, because this is my personal favorite. First off, let's start about how do I find out about this mixtape, this group. This song passed through my Instagram feed of the two of them doing it live, and I thought like, hey, this sounds good. And like I searched it through YouTube, and that's how I found these 4 people. And I gotta say, this song is such a good track. First of all, the beat of it, I don't know what sample they use. I like it. Of course, this is like the 4th song Riol has been here. Of course, he's good, but I gotta be honest, here he's kinda lacking a bit. Not his best performance here. This is the second time we've seen Woojin, and I gotta be honest, he's good, man. He kinda mumbles a bit. I don't know if it's mumbling or I just don't understand Korean. But there is an English subtitle here in YouTube. Yes, he kinda mumbles. Like, I can understand hearing Koreans. I just not good at reading. I can understand hearing it, but like with the subtitles, I kinda lost what he's saying. Even though he's kinda mumbling, he flows with the beat. The flow of his rapping is perfect. He's kinda a mix, like not mix. He's kinda in between of Luis and Riul. Not that manly, but not that light either. For now, he's like my number one favorite of the group. I also like the how should I say this, the message of the song, of basically just like let's have fun. The chorus of it, like basically how they did it, they successfully debuted, still I'm rambling, I don't know where this ends. I like how they rhyme I did it with aduri being the word for sun. How they rhyme it, I really like it. Because I gotta be honest, this is the first time I realized that it kind of blew. It's not like mind blowing level, but like realizing it, man, like oh, I understand. It's nice. This is the song that got me hooked on this mixtape, on this artist. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. If real kind of rhymes better, maybe this song's gonna be a 10 out of 10. I hope I don't regret making that statement in the future. If somehow someone from the record label of Longshot is watching this video somehow, I'm not criticizing him. I'm just hoping he does better. I like him. Have I graded this song? Oh yeah, I did 9 out of 10. Continuing on track number 5. What the hell? EJ? I don't know. Number 5 by Woojin Alone. If All Good was my introduction to this group, then EJ confirms it. I like this group, and Woojin is my favorite. I'm not gonna say he's like the most talented. I'm not gonna say who's better than who, since this is just a mixtape. I don't know how they perform live. I don't know anything else about them, so I'm not gonna do that now. But Woojin is definitely my favorite of the bunch. Everyone's talented, everyone's good. Woojin is just my favorite right now, and this song solidifies it. The beat is nice. I can hear the very heavy 808s. Like, it is kind of similar. I can see that this beat is like inspired by the UK drill scene. It's not really like Chicago drill, but like I know that 808s from UK, or maybe this is Chicago and I don't know my drill scenes, but I like it. It's kind of flowy. It's not that bumpy like Thinking. I like it. Probably my second favorite song of this mixtape. I'm gonna give it an 8.5 out of 10. Very good. Woojin, keep it up what you're doing. To the producer of this mixtape, you're a banger, man. I don't know who you are. You did good. Continuing on, we have Next to You by Ohyul and Luis. Did I read that correctly? Ohyul? Yes, I read that correctly. Ohyul. Now, I like Next to You, but it is kind of feel like out of place a bit, because from 1 to 5 we have like a rap heavy mixtape, and this one sounds like a typical boy group song. Oh my. Whenever I close my eyes while listening to this song, I have the image of JYP dancing to this. Oh no. Oh, I'm sorry for putting that in your head as well. This is the first surprise I get when listening to the mixtape for the first time, because like it is kind of feel out of place. Still a good song. I gotta be honest. Ohyul and Luis has a similar vocal tone. Like, I can't differentiate between the two of them. I don't know which one is which. But still, it is a very nice song, an excellent one. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Also, I gotta be honest, this is just my personal opinion. A phone call in the middle of the song is reserved for music video only. This is a mixtape, don't put it here, like cut it. But that's just my opinion, and this one is kinda short, so I'm fine with it. So yeah, a good song, kinda out of place, but good song eitherwise. 8 out of 10. Next up we have track number 7 of Woojin and Louis, titled My Side. Again, another kinda out of place song. Probably not my favorite. I'm gonna say it, this is my least favorite song. It's still a good song. It's not a bad song per se. It's just my least favorite out of all. And like, how should I say this? The beat kind of sounds overcrowded sometimes, not all the time, sometimes. And like, sometimes the beat is a bit too loud. I don't know if it's my headphones, or maybe it is just the beat is a bit too loud sometimes. I hope I don't get criticized for doing this. Yeah, I like it. It's not my favorite though. Also, I don't know. Is this my place on saying that the beat is too loud sometimes when I don't even mix my sound on YouTube? I like it. It's kind of, for me, okay. It's kind of meh. A 6 out of 10. Final song, we have Next to You, Speed Up. Back in my days, those things are called Nightcore. I don't know why they put this in the mixtape. It's fine. It's a fine remix. I just don't know why they decided to make a speed up version of one of their songs. It's a good song, and you decided to speed it up. So now it's how should I say this? I still like it. I just like kinda have mixed feelings about it. It's nice, but still a speed up version though. I don't know what to say. It's fine. It's fine. A 5.5. I can't give it a higher score than My Side. Yeah. Well, that's about it for this review. Although this is a yap session, there's not gonna be any song recommendation because I recommend this whole album for you guys to listen. A very, very excellent pre-debut album. No, not album, mixtape. God, I keep saying album. I guess this is a pre-debut, right? Because they haven't, I don't know, they haven't done anything that is kind of official. The last official thing they did is release a teaser for this not for this mixtape, for their group. They just released a teaser about 10 days ago. So yeah, they haven't even debuted yet. So nice first mixtape. I'm gonna give this whole album, is it too high if I give it 8.5 out of 10? Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 7.5 out of 10. I can see room for improvement, but overall, a very excellent mixtape. I just hope that every member of this group is a decent person. God, I hope none of them get hit with controversies. What else can I say? I don't know. Like this video if this is the first time you've ever heard this group. Also give it a listen. Comment down below if you have listened to this, what's your favorite. Subscribe to see what is next week's YAP session. Bye bye.